Hello and welcome to the Rupee Rakshak news of 8th September 2023. I am your host Raghu Rao. This is our 4th episode from the Rupee Rakshak newsroom. I hope you are doing very well. This week, we are going to bring you important news from the markets and essential information that you need to manage your money. Rupee Rakshak news is coming to you from the newsroom of FinMo, a SEBI-registered investment advisor. The coming week is going to be a very exciting week in the Indian markets and beyond. The entire world is coming to India for the G20 summit on 9th and 10th September, followed by a special session of the Parliament on 18th September. Who knows what is in store? Now let us look at the equity market updates this week. As stated last week, the Nifty's crucial support at 19,230 held strong. From there, it surged with a remarkable 2.5% positive return in just 1 week, indicating a strong market performance. Nifty's attempt to close above 19,750, a historic milestone, suggests ongoing buying pressure in the market. This could potentially lead to further gains of 2 to 3 points in the upcoming weeks. In mid-caps this week, as we have been predicting for the last 2 weeks, mid-caps continue their rally. This week, they surged by 1150 points, marking a gain of 2.91%. In mid-caps next week, mid-cap stocks might experience some profit-taking or consolidation soon, considering their rapid rise. It was almost like a vertical climb so far. Technical analysis indicates a chance of profit-taking in the next week. Now let us look at the Rupee Rakshak baskets, market cap-wise. The top 3 baskets from Rupee Rakshak market cap stock baskets are Best Small Cap Stocks with a weekly gain of 2.44%, Silver ETF with a weekly gain of 2.17%, and a Gold ETF with a gain of 1.14%. The top 3 sectors in Nifty index are the Nifty PSE with a gain of 6.60% this week was the top performer, followed by Nifty Media at 6.29% and Nifty Energy at plus 5.20%. All these have had a stellar week last week. The bottom 3 sectors in Nifty are Nifty MNC at 1.8% gain, Nifty FMCG at 1.49% gain, Nifty Pharma at 1.35% gain, all positive, indicating a good outing there in the stock markets. The top 3 sector baskets from Rupee Rakshak baskets in comparison with the Nifty sectors are the best technology stocks with 5.54% gain last week, with best metal stocks following at 5.4% and best media stocks at 5.34%, and the best media stocks here closely following the performance of the Nifty Media Stock Index. Let's look at the Rupee Rakshak baskets segregated sector-wise. The bottom 3 sector baskets from Rupee Rakshak are the best private bank stocks at 0.75%, the best financial services at 0.82%, and the best auto stocks at 1.46%. The top 3 thematic baskets from Rupee Rakshak are the Birla Group stocks at 5% gain last week, followed by Best India Digital at 4.06% and Best Public Sector stocks at 3.8%. The bottom 3 thematic baskets, on the other hand, are Birla Group stocks at 5% gain and Best India Digital at 4% gain and Best Public Sector stocks at 3.8% gain. So this shows that even the bottommost baskets in Rupee Rakshak gave 3 to 5% gain last week. Mohan, Prime Minister has laid out a vision for India to be a developed country by 2047, which is 25 years from now. It is also the 100th year of Indian independence. So there are people who are going to be earning through these 25 years and build their wealth. So what is your advice to such investors and how can they make most of the nation's growth?
The next 25 years, Raghu, you are talking about a significant growth expectation, and basically you are asking me if I am right, how are the investors in equity going to benefit from this? Currently, as far as GDP is concerned, India is at 5th place. So we have displaced the UK, we have kept them behind and we have moved to the 5th position. Now what is the actual number, that GDP that we have? Approximately 3.5 trillion, which means 50,000 lakh crores. We are roughly $3.5 trillion economy, and very close, the fourth place who is there, that is Germany, is at around 4.1, 4.2 trillion. And the third place, the Japan, is also between 4.2, 4.3. So if we do another 700 billions, 0.7% extra if we go, we will become we will beat both of them very closely, both Japan as well as we will be able to beat Germany if we get to 4.3 or 4.5 trillion dollar economy. That is likely to happen as such in 3 years. Now we are thinking what will happen in 25 years. Now what it will translate in the stock market. All these things are nice to know and good to hear, but will your money grow? Will your 5 lakhs will become 20 lakhs? That's what matters to you as an investor. Now for that, currently stock market is equal to Nifty 50. Now Nifty 50's price currently is around 19,000 level, and believe you and me, this was 8,500 when the COVID came just 3 years before, and before the COVID came it was at 12,500 level. So it has now at 19,000 level. Now if the GDP of India comes from 3.5 to 4.2 trillion, and if it comes to double in the next 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, what will happen to Nifty 50? From 19,000 level you expect it to go to 30,000 level, it is expected to go to 50,000 level. What does it mean? That a 19,000 level Nifty becoming 3 times at 54,000. Simply investment in a Nifty 50 index alone itself will guarantee you 3x growth. If you put 50 lakh rupees, it will become 1.5 crores in 10 years if Nifty becomes 50,000. So you should not miss this growth that is visible and it is already there. If now also as an investor, if you still keep your money in FD or in insurance products and things like that, there is no you will
miss the bus. You can't be part of this growth.
I would not want to call it a foolish, but it will be the most foolish thing that anybody can do. If they have money, they must put it in the stock market.
And what are the don'ts for the investors so that they utilize this chance to grow their money?
See, stock market you should know as an asset class. The don'ts actually becomes the don'ts for the stock market, not only for this period but for any period. The most important thing in a stock market is you should know that you are not here for a 1 year, 6 months, 1 month, 1 day. A lot of people think stock market is gambling and you have to trade, that it is risky. It is not, because you don't understand the asset class. You should know stock market is like your agricultural land. If you grow something, it will take. If you grow coconut trees, don't see the first fruit till 5 years or 6 years. Please think your stock market is your coconut farm. Don't expect, because it's a farm for everybody new. For your money, it will take another 8 years. Because you are coming right now and you expect that next year I want the fruit. It won't come. You have to come now. From now onwards, you have to wait. And there will be, just like in agriculture, you have a problem, rain don't come in time, there will be diseases that comes in. So for no fault of yours, there will be problems in farming. And similarly, for no fault of yours, there will be fluctuations in the market. The stock prices, what you invested, the value of your investment, if you have done 5 lakhs, it can go to 4 lakhs, it can go to 6 lakhs, it can come back to 5.5 lakhs, but you can't keep feeling bad about it. That is the nature. But if you hold your investment for the next 5 to 10 years continuously, not withdrawing, not worrying about what's happening to its value, God forbid, nothing bad will happen. But you should know that I am getting into this kind of an investment, but in 10 years I am sure I am going to get the growth, not because of the one particular company or one particular business, because country as a whole is growing. Every company which is doing business in this country will make more profits.
So viewers, Indian economy is poised to fly high, and so prepare yourself for a takeoff. And if you think it is a lot of work, visit rupeerakshak.com and you will see how easy it can be. That's the equity market updates for you this week. If you like our news and views, visit rupeerakshak.com and subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Thank you for watching Rupee Rakshak News.